Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PropertyGuru, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for PropertyGuru. Press the enter key to navigate to the PropertyGuru homepage. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. A login form will appear. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. Make sure there are no typos in your email or password. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. When you are ready, click the login button at the bottom of the form. If your email and password are correct, you will be redirected to your PropertyGuru dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login form. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Re-enter your new password along with your email address. Click the login button again. If everything is correct, you will gain access to your PropertyGuru account. Now you're ready to explore and utilize all the features PropertyGuru has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.